for Goa, and I will fight till the last breath of mine, and we will make sure that Goenkars will win, Goans will win in 2027.
तुम आगे बढ़ो, तुम आगे बढ़ो.
तुमको पुलिसांनी किती सांगले आता?
क्वेश्चन्स किती केले?
No, see, they sent me a notice asking of what happened actually there. I have already given my statement to the police. I believe what I've said, I've always told them that I am a law-abiding citizen. I have full faith in the judiciary, and today it was my duty as leader of opposition, as an MLA, to protect my colleague, to stay with the people of Goa. And this type of let me tell you, this type of allegations, counter allegations, we created no crime. आज criminal जे पडे हाय, ये डाकू पडे हाय, एंका बरे भाशेन नेसोय नाण बीन ते घेण्यात आहे. आज आम्ही साधारण गोंयकार, आम्ही law abiding citizen. We have said that whatever, we have full faith in the judiciary. They have taken my statement, and we are with the people of Goa, and I have told them that we will make sure, and you convey to the government, that these type of sections that are not in the interest of the state should be scrapped.
तुमका परत आपयतलं बी म्हणून कितें सांगला?
त्या बापूतल्या सांगतो मग तुमका. No, I got a notice today. No, I think Cruz Silva is also being questioned inside. And I think I'm the only one who's been called.
Okay, thank you.